if we fell, we got this love. Oh, 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 we got this love.
Friends, I'm Maxwell. Welcome back to my channel. This is Max Reacts. Today I'm watching the Queen of the Ratchet video that says Lady Marmalade parody. Shout out to Mikey for this one. Let's see what happens. Ratchet Marmalade, okay. Download rules.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Download Rules.
Where's all my stray brothers?
Oh,
shit.
Where's all the stray brothers? She keeps getting gay brothers. Where's all the stray brothers? She keeps getting
What's she looking at if she getting out of gay with? Okay, vocals. Okay, dude. For the vocals.
She went through his phone and he got upset because she asked about his jack, then he felt attacked.
Oh.
He comes home late, no sex for weeks. He said he's too tired, but he's been on his knees. Disagree? Well, I'm sorry, he's dead, and you better wake up or keep getting played. I know you sound rude, but your guy loves you. This song is about the download group. Where's all the stray brothers? She keeps getting gay brothers. I know you love him and he loves you, but wake up, girl, he loves men too. He doesn't like vagina, doesn't want punana, ratchet marmalade. One more time, come on now.
A snitch. Wait a minute. Ooh. Damn. Wait, what? Oh.
Ashley.
Oh, Lord.
Kalita. Alexa. Joshua Jr., baby. Download Rouge. Queen of the Ratchet here.
Y'all better harmonize. Is that it?
Actually.
It's the craze. All right, that was a good one. Definitely not what I was expecting. But then when I read Down La Rouge, I was like, oh, I think I see where this is going. Hilarious, so funny. I don't know how he spots the talent that he has in his videos. The women are always beautiful and they sing so well. I love it. And like his thought process in his mind and the way he puts everything together is just genius. It just makes sense for his brand and for like the aesthetic that he appeals to. I really hope he does get like his cartoon ideas and stuff off the ground. But aside from that, yes, I don't know what she finding him in. You need to step out the Down La Rouge, man, because if you finding the same kind of man, this is just a real life lesson. If you finding the same kind of man and you run into the same thing, you need to be looking in different places, because the fuck are you doing? He obviously is doing what he doing, but you doing something wrong. But yes, let me know your thoughts on this below. Comment, like, subscribe. Until next time, peace.